Hello everyone, this is a demo video from Synergy Software. Today I will be showing you the normal operation for using the cash register Sharp XE A137. The department button here is for item charging. For open pricing, we will only use the department 1 only. To do a sales, first, we enter the amount of the item, followed by the department. As you can see here, the screen is showing 200. This means that it is 2 ringgit. For this model, we only need to enter 200 as this model automatically considered as 2 decimal places. If we enter the amount wrongly, we can press the clear button to clear it. If you want to enter the multiple quantity of item, you can press the number of quantity first, followed by the X button here, followed by the amount of the item, and then we select the department. Once we done key in, you can press the subtotal button here, and you can have a look on the total bill of the receipt. If customer are paying by credit card, we can select the CR button here. If customer are paying by check, we can select the CH button here. If customer are paying by cash, we need to enter the total amount customer are paying, followed by the cash button here. Once we're done, the cash register will open and the receipt will be printed out. And if got any cash balance, it will be showing up at here. If we want to print the receipt again, we can press the copy button here to reprint the receipt. But this copy button will only print the last bill only. The previous receipt will no longer be printed. If we enter the amount already, but suddenly customer want to cancel it, you can enter the same amount, followed by the void button here, and then we select the department. It will automatically minus the same amount out from the receipt. But if you enter the whole bill incorrectly, you can press the subtotal bill here, press the void button here, and press the subtotal again. It will void the whole receipt. So that's all for today. Thank you.